So guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. This is not a sponsored video. I repeat, this is not a sponsored video. I did go ahead and pay for this wig, this bob, with my own money. I did get the wig from Amazon. It will be linked below. I did get it in 12 inches. It definitely could have been a little bit longer, but I did go in and curl it, so it really didn't matter. But as I repeat, y'all, this is not a paid video. Just me doing a little quick install, quick bob look that I want to share with y'all, end up getting footage of.
I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah. Shawty made that ass she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't lose a side. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. If you having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a best with her, take her back to the mile. Got a 5 in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her so when she ride it. This nigga's all years old. Shot it on the drive, it look like a limo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the D, niggas go. If you having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
So I will be going in and coming out the curls, y'all. As I mentioned, I did not cut this, literally nothing. I did go in and bleach the knots. I just curled it based off the cut that it came with, y'all. When I said 10 out of 10, I definitely love this. It definitely was giving mom vibes. I did end up wearing this bob wig for my maternity pictures. When I said I loved it down. So I definitely want to share it with y'all. As I mentioned, everything about this wig will be below, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. We are at 55K. We're in a road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.